And watching our presentation. My name is Kathy Spalding, and I am from California Lutheran University. We're located in wonderful, sunny Southern California. All the pictures throughout our slides is of our beautiful campus, and this is one of them. One of the advantages from studying at California Lutheran University is definitely the location. This is an overview of our an aerial shot of our campus. So really beautiful place to learn and to study. You know, also being in California, we're the 5th largest economy in the world. And what that means to you if you decide to come and study at Cal Lutheran is there's lots of opportunities, not only in Ventura County where we're located, but also we're right next door to Los Angeles County, which provides lots of opportunities with your curricular practical training and then your OPT following your program. There's lots of things to do, and there's people from all over the world in California. So it's a welcoming environment to all of our international students from all around the world. Our climate is never too hot, never too cold. I think last year we had 300 days of sunshine, so it's a nice place to be. We are located, if you can see on the map here, in between Los Angeles and Santa Barbara. We're about 60 minutes from LA, 45 minutes from Hollywood, and about 25 to 30 minutes from the beach. So you can also drive 4 hours and go to Las Vegas if that's what you want to do on your time off. The mountains are about 3 hours away, so there's lots of things to do. Again, these are pictures of our campus. So also, Thousand Oaks where our university is located, has been named one of the safest cities in the United States. So that's really important when you're considering where to go, you know, and study. So the Federal Bureau of Investigation has said that we are a very safe city to come to. So another Cal Lutheran advantage is our campus and our resources. This is a picture of our beautiful campus. As you can see on the right-hand side, there is a picture, that is one of our classrooms. And that tabletop is a tabletop that you can write on, and then your professor can come over and take a look at what you're working on. So our classroom sizes are very small, you know, 15 to 17 students, and then the instructor. So you get a really interactive experience with your professor and your other classmates. On our campus, we are a Hispanic serving institution. We have an international student services department that once you arrive on campus, they are your resource. They help you keep your immigration status, talk to you about anything like that. They have over 90 clubs and organizations for you to get involved in if you're interested in doing that. This is a picture of our on-campus housing for our graduate students. Up in the right-hand corner and then down in the left-hand corner, that is called Grace Hall. So really comfortable living environment as well. And then we have lots of things going on campus. We're a Division III. We have Division III athletics on our campus. And then you can also participate in our intramural sports as well if that's something you like to do. Again, I mentioned that the classroom sizes are small, so you're going to have that really interactive experience with your professors. The professors on our campus not only have, most of them have PhDs, but they also have work experience in what they're teaching. So you're going to learn the theory, but you're also going to learn, you know, hands-on experience from the industry that they've worked in. So that's really important. There's lots of resources on our campus to help you. We have a writing center, academic advising. Everybody gets an advisor so that you're helped throughout your program. We have a career center that's a lifetime benefit to you once you become a student. And they do all kinds of, you know, resume writing, mock interviewing. You can sign up for CLU postings that you put in the criteria of maybe what kind of position you're looking for or job you're looking for, and you get weekly emails on openings in the nearby community. So That's a really good benefit and a lifetime benefit to you. So you can always come back and use it throughout your lifetime. Peer mentors, faculty advisors, and tutoring, and all of this is included in your tuition. It's no extra charge. Our bachelor's degree programs, we have approximately 3,000 undergraduate students, and they receive Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor's of Science. We have 40 majors and 41 minors, and we've listed some of them here: business, creative arts, education, humanities, science, social science, and technology. We have brand new majors in hospitality and tourism, management, and then also film and television. So we're really excited about those new majors. The largest majors currently are business administration, biochemistry, molecular biology, communication, exercise science, and psychology. And we most definitely focus on results for students. So when you're nearing the end of your program, finding a OPT situation, doing research on our campus, maybe studying abroad. We also fold that in. So we feel it's really important, even though you're from India, might be a great thing to go study abroad for a semester in another country to get that global experience. So we encourage that. There are scholarships available for our undergraduate programs. There's an academic scholarship, $8,000 to $29,000. It's based on academic merit, how you did in high school. There's a global scholars program. You have to have a really high GPA for this one, but it can go up to $35,000 for freshmen each year, and then transfer students up to $30,000 each year. There's a visual and performing arts scholarship, and this does not have to be in the major that you want to study, but if you have a specific talent, like you're a singer or you're an artist, you would provide a portfolio to our university, and they can award you anywhere from $500 to up to full tuition. So it's a competitive scholarship, but one that's a really great opportunity. And then there's also international grants, $1,000 to $10,000 based on your need. The nice thing about this is that when you apply to the undergraduate programs, once you receive your admission letter, the amount that you're going to be receiving will be in that letter. So you can then make your decision on if you can afford to come to Cal Lutheran. So it's a really nice option for you to be able to see that. So total a year for undergraduate program, 60,283, but 97% of our students receive scholarships in our undergraduate program. So would be much less than 60,000 per year. There's 2 entry points, August and January, or fall and spring. You can apply through the direct application through Common App. Study Metro will help you with all of this. They know what our requirements are. You have to do an application essay, submit official transcripts, 2 letters of recommendation. You do not have to do the SAT or ACT. You have to apply through the Common application, and then there's a virtual interview that you go through for that. And then I believe you also have to write a personal statement regarding that. But it's a nice opportunity for you to not have to take the SAT or ACT, not fun tests. And then we do accept for our undergraduate programs, Duolingo English test 105, TOEFL 79, IELTS 6.5, PTE 58, or you can, we have an ELS, English Language Systems School, on our campus. So if you don't want to take any of those tests, you could apply for conditional admission, be admitted, and then come through our ELS school, complete ELS at level 112, and then you can transfer into your program. And Monica, I'm going to turn it over to you if we can hear you.
Yes, Monica, she needs to unmute herself. She is there in the panelist. She needs to unmute herself. So Monica, if you are listening to me, please unmute yourself.
There.
Yes, Monica, okay. You are there.
Hello,
audible.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, we can.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So the graduate programs that we do offer, I'll be talking about here shortly. But overall, we have about 1,400 graduate students, and that includes our master's and doctoral programs in business, IT, economics, education, and psychology. Can I move the slides?
I will.
Okay, thank you, KJ. So the programs that we do offer fall under our School of Management, which include our MBA program. We also have an executive EMBA program. We have a Master's of Science in Management. Our Master's of Science in Information Technology program is also a STEM program, as well as our Master's in Quantitative Economics program. And then we also have a Master's of Public Policy and Administration program. So these are all the programs, graduate programs that we do offer that fall under our School of Management. These particular programs can be completed in either 12, 15, 18, or 24 months, depending on your course load. You would need to be taking 2 courses each term. We do offer 4 11-week terms per academic year, and we do offer rolling admission. So we have the terms that begin August, November, February, and May, and you're able to start at the beginning of any of these terms. There is CPT and OPT available and also encouraged. That would be through our STEM programs, and you're able to work closely with our program directors, locating CPT opportunities and OPT opportunities as well. Work experience is not a requirement, so when you are applying to the program, you do not need to worry about whether you have work experience or not. And our GMAT and GRE is waived, so nothing, you don't need to worry about taking one of those exams. And then depending on the program that you are applying for, there are foundation courses, which we can talk to you about depending on the program that you're interested in, and those would be additional courses. Our School of Management programs are our most popular programs, but we also do offer additional graduate programs. So we offer our Graduate School of Education, where we have a Master's of Science in Counseling and College Student Personnel, as well as our EDD program, which is a Doctorate in Higher Educational Leadership, as well as our Graduate School of Psychology, which includes our Master's of Science in Counseling Psychology, our Master's of Science in Clinical Psychology, as well as our PsyD program, which is a Doctorate in Clinical Psychology. Another advantage is results. So not only do we want our students to be successful while they're in any of our graduate programs, but we also want them to be successful after they graduate. Our career services is a lifetime benefit to all of our students. So our career service center, you're able to work with one of our career counselors one-on-one. They offer many types of different workshops, such as salary negotiation, resume writing, interviewing. As Kathy Jo mentioned, we have CLU posting. So if you are looking for an internship, that's something that we can get connected with you, as well as networking with your classmates, as well as your professors. Our School of Management does offer a lot of workshops and networking events to our students. These are free events to our students. It's a great way for you to get connected and making those connections. And with our alumni, we have over 27,000 alumni. So it's a great connection, get involved, get connected. And then 97% of our students are employed or in a graduate program within 6 months of graduation. We do thank you for joining our session here at California Lutheran University. If you are interested in applying to any of our graduate programs, please reach out to our agency partner here, Study Metro, and they will get you connected.